Hello, good day everyone. So we're back again for another video. This video is for the teachers, future teachers, and for the parents out there who are teaching their child. So today we're going to talk about the learners' diversity and the different learning modalities. We need to understand the learners, including their needs, interests, and life experiences. First off, we need to understand the diversity of learners. So what is diversity? Diversity is everything that makes people different from each other. Learning diversity refers to the infinite variety of life experiences and attributes a child brings to their formal learning at school. All students with diverse learning needs have a right to access a full and engaging education on the same basis as their peers. Diversity fosters critical thinking, empathy, and inspires students to think outside the box. So these are the factors that made the learners diverse from each other: ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic status, ability, and religious beliefs. Students benefit from diversity in the classroom because it helps them develop social awareness, which allows them to respect points of views of others and reach more solid conclusions. Now let's proceed to the different learners based on different learning modalities. First, we have visual learners. They learn from reading and seeing pictures. They can picture what they are learning and they can learn best using methods that are primarily visual. So these are some tips that you can do when you are teaching visual learners. In order for us to stimulate learning on visual learners, we can use posters as our instructional materials. We can also use maps, charts, printed pictures of animals, flowers, and so on. Visual learners value visual content above all. Now let's proceed to the second one, which are the auditory learners. They learn by hearing and listening. They understand and remember things they've heard. So when you are teaching auditory learners, you can use wordplay or language patterns because it piques their interest. So when they are stumped by a new topic, we can guide them by talking to them and letting them share their own ideas to work through the logic of difficulty. We can also propose songwriting when they are trying to memorize or learn new stuffs. Lastly, we have tactile learners. They learn by touching and doing. They are called hands-on learners because they prefer to move, touch, build, create, or draw the things that they have learned. They tend to learn better when physical activities are involved. During hands-on activities, allow students to manipulate items. They can also doodle or draw and take pictures of the informations they are studying. You can suggest to them that they can take notes or make outlines about the terms that they need to remember. So again, those are the three learning modalities: visual, auditory, and tactile. Remember that we always have to understand our students because they vary or they are different from each other. And as a teacher, we have to make some adjustments to meet our students' needs. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all enjoy and learn something new from this video. Remember to stay safe and stay healthy and drink a lot of water. Bye! All students with diverse learning needs have the access. They are called hands-on learners because they tend Remember that we always have to understand. Remember that we have